Next scent natin is Siargao Midnight. This is for men. So guys, for ano lang, kapag for women or unisex, gold yung cup. Kapag naman for men, silver. Yan yung pinagkaiba natin. And our bottles is very high quality. Kahit mabagsak yan, hindi yun basta-basta mababasag. So, anyway, magpatuloy na tayo. So, Siargao Midnight is for men. So, top notes niya, kapag in-spray nyo siya, top notes niya is pear, mint, and lavender. And middle notes niya is cinnamon and clary sage. Base notes niya sa dry down, makakaamoy kayo ng vanilla, amber, and woody. So, Siargao Midnight is a sweet, bold, and seductive fragrance. Yes, this is very seductive. Kung gusto nyo gumimik, night outs, gala sa gabi, Siargao Midnight is the best for you. This fragrance is very seductive, perfect for nightlife. So bakit Siargao? Siargao is known for its surf culture and vibrant nightlife. Alam naman natin na Siargao, parang hindi siya natutulog. Kilalang kilala siya sa gabi. Just like the sand after the sunset, the scent is energetic, magnetic, and full of life. This scent is magnetic. Kung gusto nyo magpapansin sa mga katabi nyo, yan. Siargao Midnight is the best scent for you. Best for night outs. Best sa gabi. So, welcome po sa live. And for Siargao Midnight is fragrance for men. So, if you want to smell very ultra, magpapansin sa gabi, yan, ito. So, sa top notes niya, again, unang spray nyo pala makakaamoy kayo ng pear, mint, then lavender, middle notes, cinnamon, and sage. Sa base notes naman, sa kanyang dry down, vanilla, amber, and woody. Ayan. Ito ay medyo matamis, pero hindi siya masyadong matamis. This scent is very bold and seductive. And nagiging woody siya after. Edgar Dumaria.